Hi, welcome back to Car Info Project channel. The Toyota Fortuner has evolved into a top choice in various global markets, establishing itself as a captivating and reliable SUV. News about its upcoming refresh in the next year, specifically in 2024, has captured the attention of automotive enthusiasts. According to reports from Indian automotive media, significant changes are taking place in the exterior of the 2024 Toyota Fortuner, promising a more robust, sharp, and elegant appearance. Inspired by the Tacoma model's success in the US market, the 2024 Fortuner aims to exude remarkable sophistication. With a fresh design touch, it will radiate exceptional elegance, aligning with the aesthetics found in its sibling, the Hilux. This aesthetic shift will not only transform its physical appearance but also reflect an evolution in Toyota's design language, offering a more luxurious and appealing driving experience. It's important to note that the Fortuner's excellence goes beyond its captivating appearance. As a reliable SUV, the Fortuner has won consumers over with its robust performance, driving comfort, and embedded advanced technology. With the exterior refresh, it is expected that the 2024 Toyota Fortuner will not only maintain its reputation as a popular choice, but will also set new standards in its class. However, besides the exterior, are there any other changes? We will discuss that in this video. The 2024 Fortuner will undergo a significant transformation, especially in its exterior, which will take center stage with various updates. One notable aspect is the redesigned front grille, providing a fresher and more modern look. Additionally, the front lights, equipped with DRL and LED technology, will impart a futuristic impression, creating a unique visual for the 2024 Toyota Fortuner. Beyond aesthetics, the 2024 Fortuner will introduce prominent air channels, enhancing aerodynamic efficiency and visual appeal. The entire body will feature sharp panels and bold lines, conveying a robust and sporty impression in harmony. While exterior changes are highlighted, Toyota has kept the interior of the 2024 Fortuner under wraps. Speculation about interior updates is buzzing, creating high anticipation for the possible inclusion of modern features such as ventilated front seats, a sunroof, and smart connectivity. In an effort to enhance the driving experience and maintain high safety standards, the 2024 Fortuner will be equipped with a set of premium ADAS features. These advanced technologies assist drivers in various situations, enhancing safety during journeys. The interior space of the 2024 Fortuner will be more expansive, supported by the use of the TNGA-F platform, also utilized by Toyota models like the Land Cruiser, Tundra, and Lexus LX. Performance-wise, the 2024 Toyota Fortuner is confirmed to adopt a 48V mild hybrid system, marking Toyota's stride towards sustainable mobility. With this technology, the 2024 Fortuner will not only deliver robust performance, but also demonstrate the manufacturer's commitment to environmental friendliness. Alongside the hybrid system, the 2024 Fortuner will also operate using 100% ethanol, exploring fuel options that are more eco-friendly. Although it may take time to be fully embraced in the market, this move reflects Toyota's vision to reduce carbon footprint and provide sustainable solutions for future mobility. Not stopping there, the 2024 Toyota Fortuner will offer a range of engine options to meet diverse consumer needs. The 2800cc turbo diesel engine will be one choice, delivering an impressive power combination with 204 PS and 420 Nm of torque. This model can be selected with a manual or automatic transmission, offering flexibility in driving style. On the other hand, the 2024 Fortuner will also come in a 2.7-liter gasoline engine variant, providing responsive performance with 166 PS of power and 245 Nm of torque. Transmission options include a 5-speed manual transmission and a 6-speed automatic transmission, further adding a dimension of personalization for drivers, allowing them to choose according to their preferences when driving this SUV.